you've probably noticed these small cracks on headlights from time to time. This is called crazing. People say it's caused by UV light, or maybe car washing chemicals, or even your LED bulbs. Nobody seems to know exactly why crazing happens. Here at the Adhesive Learning Centre, we know that crazing is caused by something called the #1 plastic killer. But to understand how it operates, we need to do some investigating. Let's go. Headlight lenses used to be made of glass, but it was heavy, costly, hard to shape, and it would shatter in an accident. So the automotive industry switched to a type of plastic that is lighter, cheaper, easy to mold, and much safer: polycarbonate. Even though it's a hard and strong plastic that has excellent optical properties, polycarbonate is not perfect. It has poor UV resistance, poor chemical resistance, and it scratches easily. So that probably gives you a hint where this is going. Let's zoom in. Like all plastics, polycarbonate is a polymer. A polymer is made up of many smaller molecules called monomers, and they are bonded together to form long chains. Polymer chains can undergo molecular motion, so when the plastic of your headlight is under stress, let's say from the vibrations of your car for example, forces travel along those polymer chains, leading to their separation, which is known as creep rupture. As well as vibrations, other factors can provoke stress on the polycarbonate, like thermal shocks, weathering, and even the way the headlight was molded and attached to your car. Now, the lens of your headlight is coated with a protective layer, but it can deteriorate over time, especially from UV light, exposing the polycarbonate. Then, if your headlight, already under mechanical stress, comes in contact with chemical elements like cleaning agents or even water, the rupture will be accelerated, becoming environmental stress cracking. It's responsible for more than 25% of plastic part failures. That's why it is the #1 plastic killer. So, it is a combination of all of these environmental factors, from mechanical stress and degradation to chemical contact, that causes your headlights to crack. The quality of the adhesive used to attach the lens plays a big part in preventing stress cracking from happening. When cleaning your car, make sure not to use aggressive agents and only apply cleaners recommended for headlights. You can also renew the protective layer if needed. If you want to learn more about these types of cracks, you can find our video on environmental stress cracking in the description below. And if you want to know more about adhesives and bonding, just stick with us and subscribe.